Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Miro wireframes. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have your correct plan that supports wireframe template so you will have the full access to everything that you need. So first you will open your Miro of course and then you will select a board, and then once you've chosen your board, you will go ahead and look for templates. So it should be right here. So once you see the templates, what you will do is go ahead and place it on your board. So you will just have to click add to board and then just wait for that template to load. And then what you will do is you can just actually just drag and drop elements like buttons, like text, boxes, headers, or onto your wireframe, or you can just add images. So you can just choose from this left panel right here. These are the options that you need or features. Then you will just have to resize and align elements using the grid snapping or the alignment toolbar. So it really depends on you. Then you will just have to double click the text placeholders, type your content, and all that stuff. And optionally, you can also add comments. You will just have to click the um comments icon right here. So it should be right here if you do have that um that feature. So yeah, make sure that you do have the full access to all of its features before proceeding. Then once you're done, you will just have to click this three dots icon right here, and then just go ahead and click board, and then you will just save it or export it, save it as PDF, as an image, whatever you like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.